dia kalau mau lewat belakang saya juga harus nganterin tuntun. Oh, ini jatuh. Jadi keramat.
Mister, what you call 'em, what you doing tonight? Hope you're in the mood because I'm feeling just right. How's about a corner with a table for two, where the music's mellow and some gay rendezvous? There's no chance romancing with the blue attitude. You've got to do some dancing to get in the mood. Sister, what you call 'em, that's a timely idea. Something swinging villa would be good to my ear. Everybody must agree that dancing has charms when you have a certain one you love in your arms. Stepping out with you will be a sweet interlude. A builder up, now that will put me in the mood. In the mood. That's it, I got it. In the mood. Your ear was spotted. In the mood. Go on a hot hit. Be alive and get the jive. You got to learn how. Hep, hep, hep. Hep like a heifer. Pep, pep, pep. Hot as a pepper. Step, step, step. Step like a stepper. We're hugging and hugging. We're in the mood now. Mister, what you call 'em, all you needed was fun. You can see the wonders that this evening has done. Your feet were so heavy till they hardly could move. Now they're light as feathers and you're right in the groove. You were only hungry for some musical food. You're positively, absolutely in the mood. Sister, what you call 'em, I'm indebted to you. It all goes to show what good influence can do. Never felt so happy and so fully alive. Seems the jamming jumping is a powerful jive. Swingaroo has given me a new attitude. My heart is full of rhythm and I'm in the mood. In the mood, that's it, 'cause I got it and I'm in the mood. Your ear will spot it when you're in the mood. Be alive and get the jive, you got to learn how. Hip, 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 you're hip like a heifer full of pep, pep, pep. You're hot as a pepper and you step, step, step. Step, step like a stepper. We're hugging, and now we're hugging, 'cause we're in the mood.
Salah oke ngomong kagok gitu.